doesn't know it, but we're picking somebody up for a new round of carpool karaoke. We'll be surprising her in a minute. We're almost there. Shh, don't tell Terry. We're gonna make her sing. Heck, I don't even act like I have to turn this on, but she's gonna see the red light. But that's okay. She's smarter than the average bear. She's got this. Aha, here she comes. All right, ready? Let's do this.
Bye, Miss Terry.
Bye, Jaden. Bye, Emily.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to a special edition.
Are we live?
We are. Terry doesn't ever see that. Shh, don't tell her. Wait, don't tell anybody. It's
I'm
all good.
trying.
But somebody's driving off. Some Uber driver's just driving off without letting her get her seatbelt on.
Some Uber driver's picking me up in the middle of the road. I wanted him to get going quick.
It's like the opposite way of getting out of the vehicle. You're doing the roll in instead of the roll out of the moving vehicle. I got it. All right, ready? Here we go.
What are we singing?
Well, I guess this song. How's this for an oldie? No, I don't need any money. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. She's not singing.
No, I'm
I woke
not.
up this morning and I wrote
blinking on
down
the
this
lyrics.
song. There you go. Look it up on your phone. Just can't remember who to send him to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've been walking on time to easy time. My back turns against the
You
sun.
sing the rest.
Lord knows when a cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours and times on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and
See, we should have gone to karaoke last
pieces
night.
on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Yes, it's 11 o'clock, even though I'm still awake. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end.
Heather told me to go to bed at 10:45. She's like, you're keeping me up.
When I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you needing one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you one more time again. All right, what's the next song? Yay! Show her some love. Next song. Oh, we can do this song. We totally do this song. We all know the little ditty. matter of fact, there's one establishment that used to call it what I drank, which was a Jack and Diet Coke, a Jack and Diane. Just saying.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I learned something new.
over at the Lost Mine. Little ditty about Jack and Diane, two American kids growing up in the heartland. Jackie gonna be a football star. Diane's debutante on the back seat of Jackie's car. Sucking on chili dogs outside a tasty freeze. Giant sitting on Jackie's lap, he's got his hands between her knees. Jackie say, hey Diane, let's run off behind the shady trees. Drip off those Robbie Book slacks and do what I please. Say, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone.
I haven't gotten to that part yet. I'm still thrilled with life.
Absolutely, absolutely. Jack sits back, collects his thoughts for a moment, scratches his head and does his best James Dean. Well there, Diane, we all run off to the city. Diane says, baby, you ain't missing nothing. But Jackie say, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. They sing, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. They walk on. Whoop. So let it rock,
Part close.
let it roll, let the Bible belt come and save my soul. Hold on to 16 as long as you can. Change come around real soon, make us women, amen. Good song.
Old song, I love it.
Absolutely.
And I actually know it. There's the shocker.
I have too much music up here. Can't fit anything else in, it's just all music. Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. A little ditty about Jack and Diane, two American kids doing the best they can. Yeah, I'm still a 16-year-old.
I'm 25.
16-year-old.
Not 12, 16.
16. 16. Screw 12. 16.